And then now we are going to look at the failure factors in digital transformation project. First, it will be about a lack of understanding of what a digital transformation is. So before an organization start to implement a digital transformation project, make sure to fully understand what a digital transformation is. It's not about technology. It's mostly about the business. Okay, how you're going to transform your business. All right, how you want to drive, steer your business in a way that it can ensure the sustainability of your business. All right, it's not about selecting any, shiny, digital technologies. It's about how you can ensure the survival of your business. All right, and also the prosperities of your business in the future. And then second factor that contribute to failure will be the lack of support from the top leadership. All right, you do not get the commitment. All right, either the time, the involvement, the engagement, or the resources required. Okay, because budget support, direction from the top leadership is very important. All right, to make people keep going, to make the employee in the organization to feel confidence. All right, motivated and being supported, right? And then the third failure factor will be lack of proper planning for the right digital strategy and transformation roadmap, right? And the fourth one is lack of talented resources, whereby you may lack of the skill, the people skill, may lack of the maybe some expensive IT resources. And then the fifth factor for failure could be organization are not addressing the change management thing. All right, it may lead to the employee not knowing its job position after the transformation. People may feel insecure when change happen in organization because it may change its daily job, its role, its power positioned in an organization. So if change management is not being taken seriously before the transformation project is being carried out, this change management thing can be a key factor to digital transformation failure. All right. Yeah. And then the sixth thing is about not addressing the culture thing. You need to change people's mindset. Let people know, you need to be open-minded. All right. And let people know that it's okay to create something new, to try something new. Okay, so this is a interesting cartoon that I would like to show here. Look at this picture, okay? You can see this with three, men here. You can see the first two men, they are actually very busy. All right, they try to, to drag, a full box of rocks. All right, and this box, all right, the view of this box, are actually in square shape, and we know that the square shape is very difficult to be pushed to be pushed, right, to be dragged. So that here comes the third man, holding a rounded wheel and making suggestion to this two men, saying that, hey, look, I have a better solution for your problem. All right. And what we see here is that these two guys, you can consider as the leader, that push the thing forward. All right. And what these two guys say is that we are too busy. We don't have the time to listen to you. All right. And then so, no, Thanks for a suggestion. Just simply no, thanks. Right? So here what we want, so this picture, what you want to say is that in order to start your digital journey, senior leadership need a groove rather than a fixed mindset. All right. Leadership should have groove mindset instead of fixed mindset. In short, what is being advocated here is that, okay, leadership and also all the employee in an organization that is doing the digital transformation project, they must learn fast. Think of a new idea, all right, and then try it, do it, all right. And if there's a failure, let it fail fast. Let it fail fast. Okay. And then try to do it again. All right. And then and again. Skill fast. All right. And then keep going. You keep going through this loop again and again and again until you are successful. Right. We know that failures actually are the blocks for success. Okay. So yeah, don't be afraid of failure. All right. And that previous six list of failure factors can be easily mapped into the people, process, and technology framework as such. Right. Just now we know that the transformation success factor, I have classified it into people, process, and technology, right? Based on the PPT framework as advocated by various consulting firms, right? And this failure can also be easily mapped into uh, that three pillar. All right. For example, lack of understanding of what generation is about people problem. Lack of support from the top leader. It is a people problem, the leadership problem. There's no commitment from the leader, right? And the leader failed to propose, all right, a persuasive, okay, a comprehensive transformation roadmap. All right, that's the process. Something went wrong, okay, and then lack of proper planning, okay, for for the right digital strategy, and obviously this is the process problem, right? And then the fourth one is the lack of talented resources. Okay, resource could be about people resource. It could be about okay the technology resource. All right, so these two pillar, okay, uh, uh, can be part of this failure uh, factor. And then not addressing the change management thing, of course, is related to people because you fail to get people to understand what your digital transformation project is about. You fail to make people understand how its current position or role being changed after the transformation project, right? So, not addressing change management thing is a problem related to the people pillar. Okay, not addressing the culture thing, of course, this is under the people dimension or pillar. All right. And then here, uh, based on the study conducted by the MIT Sloan Management Review, all right, which is based on a survey of more than 4,000 managers, all right, executive and analysts from organizations around the world. Okay, this will be the list of expected benefit, okay, from a digital transformation project. The first one will be the first expected benefit could be it allowed us, all right, to enhance our customer experience, okay, with more personalized interaction. right? Why you want to do digital transformation? Because you want to provide better product, better service to our customer, right? Okay, as a customer, if we get a better service, all right, better product, we have a nice experience about this company, right? So one of the fundamental, okay, which is a very crucial benefit that an organization can expect from its digital transformation project will be improve customer experience. All right, and then because as part of our digital transformation project, we will do uh, uh, the right amounts, okay, and good enough uh, process re-engineering, right? Process re-engineering, and then process optimization, and also process automation. And therefore, we can expect from our transformation project is that it can make our business process become more flexible and quick because our process and data are digitally integrated. All right, and this change in our business operations may also result in accelerating our business growth, right? It could be more sales from existing customer, or maybe because we are creating new business model that altogether accelerate an organization business growth. And then finally, with the change in the business, okay, we are doing the business transformation, it may open up ample opportunities for, okay, various future partnership with other company and provide the opportunity for our business to be globalized, okay, to improve our company's globalization capability. And then finally, this is the QR code that you can scan in order to try the quiz for this section. Okay, and yes, congratulations, we have already completed the first section, and looking forward to see you in the second section.